or the heading when we were creating like opening the code.
Today in Scout we learned about coding, which I thought was the most amazing thing. It takes a lot more than just a few words to make a website.
So today what we learned was about coding, and it not only just takes a few symbols, but a few letters and numbers and all that other stuff. Plus it takes a long while to make a website too.
So who knows who in this room might be the next one to start drawing comics, and then your comic drawing turns into videos and turns into a movie. So we want to encourage you to even think that way, because once we leave this room in a few minutes, we're going to go into the auditorium. We're going to split up into two different groups. It's going to be an Apple team, and it's going to be a Microsoft team.